Yo, what's going on YouTube? Ceejaybrand is back with a brand new tech unboxing video for you guys once again. Now today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new, or I would say is maybe a little bit old if you want to be that petty. Anyway, this is going to be the brand new Apple MacBook Pro, the 14.2 edition, or 14 as they do promote it on the website. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this device today. Yes, the iMac is gone, as you can see, blank background. I'll tell you guys exactly why I took it back. But let's go ahead and get straight into the unboxing of it and just watch the video, guys, and you'll figure out exactly why I took that back after just a week of usage. 1 week of usage, man. Let's get it, man. All right, you guys, so of course we're gonna do the same thing originally. Let's go ahead and take out the little tablet they give us, you know, since they don't give us anything else. Got some little plastic, trying to get rid of cardboard and stuff like that. I guess, or whatever they're trying to do. Let's go ahead and take the cover off this, man. I'm really digging this. I really needed a laptop, so that's mainly the reason why I took the iMac back. It wasn't gonna work out for me anymore, honestly. Anyway, let's go ahead and remove this cover right quick. Whew, that was kind of hard to get off, but hey, the brand new MacBook Pro, hella heavy. I will say that is hella heavy. Nah, it's heavy, man. Compared to the Apple Mac Air, that's the number ones I normally get. But you know, we got the Pro this time because we do photography and video editing. We need us a Pro edition. So in here, of course, Apple, they did switch back over to their MagSafe 3, which is going to get this thing charged up faster than ever. Now you still can use the standard Thunderbolt cables if you want to and charge the Mac up, but this is going to be faster, and it's braided as well. Yeah, it's freaking braided. Put that to the side. And then inside of here, I believe this probably isn't nothing but documentation, which that's exactly what it is, just documentation in here. Put that over there. And then we have our 67-watt charger that we're going to use to power this computer up, man. I think that's everything that's in here. That is everything that's inside the box. So let's go ahead and close the box up, man, and let's move on to the Mac. Let's see what's going on with the Mac, and let's see what's new, what's old. Let's get it, man. All right, so let's go and start with the documentation, obviously. In here, you know, we get the standard theme. This time we got some matte black Apple logos. That's pretty cool. Thing about this is I still got the iMac stickers in my room. I forgot to put those in the box, but hey, sorry, Apple. I think that's that in there. I don't know, they got a thick piece of cardboard, but it ain't gonna come out. We're not gonna rip the slide open for it, so put that to the side. That's that. And then once again, like I said, we got the chart. So I guess it's time to go ahead and review the Pro. Let's get it, man. Let's go and start off with the body, man. This right here is, like I said, once again, it's going to be the 14-inch liquid retina XDR display that Apple does have now. In the previous models, they only put the retina in there. So this is a liquid version, so which is going to display more colors, beautiful colors, and you'll be able to see more color accuracy. That's cool. And I'm trying to figure out how the heck do you open this thing up. Oh, it's right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and just finish unboxing it or unwrapping it. This is a silver one. No, I normally don't buy silver products from Apple. I like to get the dark gray one, but that's all they had left. So unwrap this. Ooh, nice, sleek, freaking Jesus Christ! It's nice and sleek for one. We're gonna keep it on here because I don't want to screw it up. Man, I haven't had a freaking. This is my first Pro. I'm so used to like the skinny airs and everything, but yeah, man. Let's go ahead and open it up, man. Let's go ahead and see. Oof. Ooh. It's icy. I like it. They did get rid of the touch bar that was on the previous generation, like on the 13 Mac Pros. I think a lot of people were complaining about that, and now they just put back in the Magic Keyboard. So of course we will have our Touch ID right here, and we get all our buttons back instead of them being, you know, on there. So that's that, man. Now the display size, once again, like I did say, it is a 14-inch computer. However, they did state that the display is actually going to be 14 by 2.
Use English as the main language. Press the return key.
All right, she's gonna interrupt me like that. We're just gonna close the computer down so we can talk specs right quick, you know. And then on top of that as well, with the Pro, this does have some more ports in here. It is going to be packed up with the HDMI ports. You get three Thunderbolt 4 ports. You also have an SDXC. So instead of buying like an adapter, you can just plug it right up to the computer. Get everything you got to get fast and easy. So that's cool right there. Then you also have a 3.5mm headphone jack. And then of course the MagSafe 3 charger port is officially back on the Mac. That's great.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver.
Bruh.
If you know how to use VoiceOver,
but she's
press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac.
But it's closed.
If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Okay, I'm sorry. I thought she was dead. All right, let's turn it off right quick. This thing is freaking... It's good, man. We got to set it up, obviously. All right, let's just hope that it doesn't interrupt me again. Let's go into the specs about this MacBook Pro. So if you guys were watching the October's event, they did state that instead of putting like the Intel chips in here, they removed, well, even previously before that, they were putting their own Apple Silicon in it. Now they released the Apple Silicon M1 chip. Now this right here is going to be coming with the Apple's M1 Pro chip, but you can always jump up to the Max as well. I got the standard, the base one. I didn't want to go jump all the way up. Cost too much, and I really don't use it like that. So I was like, yeah, I ain't gonna do all that. Besides that, this right here does come up with, you can get it like up to like a 10-core CPU in here. You can also get like up to a 32-core GPU, up to 64 of unified memory, and also up to 8 terabytes of solid-state drive storage. Once again, I got the basic things. So I'm pretty sure I got 8-core CPU, 16, or it may even be it's a 16 core GPU, because that's where it starts at, I believe. So I got 16 gigabytes of unified memory and 526 gigabytes of storage. That's all I need, because I got tons and tons of external storage. So of course I could have upgraded to like a 1 terabyte for additional $200, but I have to order it, and they're gonna get that to me in like April. We're still in February, so yeah, you get the gist. You get the gist. That's that right there. Now, of course, this thing right here, of course, it has the same features as the iMac. Basically, has the same great 1080p camera, web 1080p face cam camera, or FaceTime face cam. I keep getting stuff mixed up. 1080p FaceTime camera inside of here. It also includes their Apple's ProMotion that we have seen in the new iPhone 13s, and I believe the new iPads have the same thing. So we're gonna have a 120 hertz of refresh rate in here, so that's cool right there. Now, if you are a designer or a video editor or whatever they were saying, you can still go in there and turn that ProMotion off and lock it into like a 30 frame, 60 frame, or 40 frame, and whatever else this offers. Me personally, it'll be staying in ProMotion until I actually learn more about it and see if I actually need it. Once again, we already spoke about the keyboard, so of course, like I said, the touch bar is going. That's a done deal. I was kind of hoping that I would get it, because that was something that people were excited about. Now they're not excited about it. That's that. Another good thing about this, it has 17 hours of battery life compared to last year, where I think it was like 10 hours of battery life. So yeah, they gave us like 7 additional battery hours in here. Now, you know, with the new iPhones and the new fast cables, we can get faster charge, like dang on there, I think 0.5%, like 50% of battery in like 30 minutes now. So that feature is coming over to the Pros as well. But yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and get this thing set up, and we're gonna take a look at the Pro. So we'll be right back, you guys. All right, you guys, so we're back in. We got the Mac officially all set up and stuff, and I forgot to mention, the Mac Pros, they do have a new system inside for speaker wise. So these are actually packed like with like a 6-set speaker thing. They got like 2 tweeters and probably 4 speakers elsewhere. So I'm gonna play a quick video and just want to test the sound of just to see if it's, you know, actually worth it. And I want to see, you know, comparing it to the iMac versus this one. I do remember what the iMac still sounds like, honestly. I don't know how, but let me play a quick video right quick, and let's see the sound difference right quick. Yo, what's going on YouTube? Ceejaybrand is back with a brand new tech unboxing video for you guys once again. Now today we're going to be unboxing this LED web camera that we did pick up from Five Below. I believe this thing right here cost me a So I would say sound quality wise, I think the iMac sounds a little bit better, but you need external speakers unless you're that picky. But let's go ahead and play it right quick for you guys. video for you guys once again today. Now today we're gonna be checking out some Apple Watch tempered glass watch cases, just because, you know, we got the Apple Watch Series 7 and we ain't got no sort of protection on this. So this company right here, they sent us over if you do go get the 16-inch version of the the MacBook Pro, of course the speakers are going to be a little bit bigger and much louder. And the speakers, they also come with spatial audio as well. So, you know, we got the new Apple AirPods that comes with spatial audio. And yeah, it's all that good integration, man. But yeah, I mean, otherwise, this MacBook Pro, it looks straight great to me. I love it already. I do know for a fact I'm not taking this back because, like I said, once again, I'm about to start traveling very shortly to do, you know, like weddings and portrait photographies. And I may get back active on TikTok just a tad bit. So yeah, I would love to have, you know, like a good computer that's gonna, you know, help me up, man. Anyway, you guys, that's all we got for today's video. I think the aspect ratio of this video right here is very different. Y'all probably like, bro, what happened up here? Don't ask me. I don't know what happened. I forgot. I took off a filter because this was making the Mac look yellow. I don't know if you guys can see that I look yellow in here, or it may look even better with it on. Anyway, you guys, like I said, that's all we got for today's video. Make sure you guys go to like the video. Comment down below what's your thoughts on this brand new MacBook Pro. Would you get it in 2022, or would you wait for the springtime where they may be refreshing that iMac 27-inch Pro? Or maybe is it a Pro? Who knows if it's a Pro or not. All right, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.